everybody, hope you're having a great day, and I just wanted to come on and share a really quick and easy recipe for you today since the weather is getting a little cooler and soup is going to be really good. This is homemade chicken and rice soup, and it's very quick and easy, so you might want to save this one because I have created this recipe on my own. I didn't find it in any recipe book. It's just something that I put together on my own because I wanted just a little bit more than your canned soups, you know, add a little bit more to that. So okay, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to need are about 2 cans of 10-ounce chicken breast, canned chicken breast. Okay, and I have put this in a bowl right here, and you want to drain it really well. So the first thing I'm going to add to my pot is my chicken. Okay, now I have cooked, there's 2 cups of rice. After it's cooked, it comes to 2 cups. So I have cooked mine, but if you want to use minute rice, a cup of minute rice, that would even be better. Okay, so I have adding my rice to that. Okay, now you want to add 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Okay, now we've got a 32-ounce box of chicken broth. So we want to add all of that to this mixture. Okay, and this is so good in the winter. And what you can do if you had rather have chicken noodle soup, you can cook you off about 2 cups of noodles instead of the rice, and then you have your chicken noodle soup. Okay, and I have about a ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and I have 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and I told you it was quick and easy. See how easy that is? So you want to stir that around, combine that really good, and let it cook on the stove for about 15 minutes, simmer, you know. Once you kind of bring it to a boil, then you turn it down and just let it cook. And oh, it is so good. Your family will think you just worked for hours on this. It's so good. Okay, now we're going to let it cook for just a little while, and then we're going to come back and taste it and show you what we've got. Okay, we're back now, and our soup has been simmering for about 15 minutes, and it smells delicious. Okay, now for the fun part, we're going to try this stuff. See what we think. Now you can have crackers or sandwich with this, or whatever you like, and it's kind of hot. Comfort food. It's that time of year. That is awesome. You got to try it. This is original. I made this recipe, I created this recipe myself, so you probably won't find it in any recipe book, so you might want to hang on to this one and try it for your family. They'll just love it. Okay, for now, I would just like to ask a little favor. If you would like my page, like my video, and sprinkle the love around, or S-H-A-R-E, I would appreciate it if you'd be so kind to do that for me. And I hope you've enjoyed these recipes, and I need some feedback. If you enjoy, let me know, okay? So, you have a blessed day, and until we cook again, God bless you.